Man, who is Carl Lewis? Who the fuck is Carl Lewis? Does anybody know who is Carl Lewis? Does anybody know who Carl Lewis is? Man, fuck Carl Lewis. Fuck Carl Lewis. Are you Carl Lewis, motherfucker? Are you Carl Lewis? Are you Carl Lewis? Huh? Say something. Are you Carl Lewis? Huh? Are you Carl Lewis? Why you running, huh? You gotta be Carl Lewis. Nigga. Are you Carl Lewis, nigga? Are you Carl Lewis? Yeah, one of you motherfuckers gotta be Carl Lewis. Are any of you niggas Carl Lewis? Is any of you Carl Lewis? You. Are you Carl Lewis? So nobody talking, huh?
Who the fuck is this Carl Lewis?
Are you Carl Lewis? Are you Carl Lewis? Nah, it can't be Carl Lewis. You dead as fuck. Be very quiet. I'm hunting Carl Lewis.
I'm hunting Carl Lewis. Hunting Carl Lewis. Hunting Carl Lewis. I'm hunting Carl Lewis.
I think I speak on behalf of all Jamaicans when me say, who the blood clot is Carl Lewis? Who is he? Nobody don't know who Carl Lewis is. Me try Googling my name, right? And you know what Google said to me? What are you asking me?
Who the fuck is this?
That's what Google said. Carl Lewis just popped up out of nowhere. I come talk one bug off. What are you saying, Carl Lewis? Our systems that we have down here in Jamaica to test for drugs are not good enough? What are you saying? Our coaches down here in our beautiful island are not capable of coaching athletes to become greatest in the world? What are you saying? What are you saying? Are you saying the systems that are in place are failing, Carl Lewis? The Olympics drug testing system, our Jamaican drug testing system? What are... Man, who the fuck is Carl Lewis? Hating on Bolt because the man is a legend now. He's greater than you, sir. You might have more medals, which you did not win fairly. Yeah, we know Carl Lewis. Fuck out of here. When I was growing up, my mother said, always respect old people, you know what I mean? But today, I have no love for no Carl Lewises, man. Anything when I'm Carl Lewis right now, fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. And cold, take Panadol multi-symptom. Fuck off and cold, take Panadol multi-symptom. Because you must be sick. Who the hell is Carl Lewis? Now understand this. I understand that everybody has the right to their opinion, and I respect that. Even though I might not like it, I respect it. But at the same time, this is my opinion on your opinion, Mr. Carl Lewis. Fuck your opinion. And I'm sure you can respect that. Like, who the fuck is Carl Lewis, man? I hate when the older heads in the game start fucking hating on younger people who are trying to do something, who are doing something, who have become better than them. Did somebody pay you to like come out retirement and talk shit? And there's no explanation for your behavior right now more than straight up blood clot bad mind. A bad mind you have, Carl Lewis. A bad mind you have.
Carl Lewis, you too bad mind, you too bad mind, you too bad mind, you too bad mind.
Bad mind you have one.
Bad mind. And it seems like bad mind is just going around nowadays. You know, bald head, one-time sprinters that are from America. Yeah, you're the ones catching it. RASS Green, and now
Carl Lewis, man. Who is Carl Lewis?
Mr. Lewis, sir, you know better. You know better, Carl Lewis. Like, how do you feel right now to know you have an entire country hating your shit? Fuck Carl Lewis.
Swag.
Fuck Carl Lewis.
Swag.
Fuck Carl Lewis.
Swag.
Swag.
Fuck Carl Lewis.
Like, what the you know, but like Rodney King said, you know, can't we all just get along? Mr. Carl Lewis, why don't you come down to Jamaica for a weekend, you know, chill on the white sands, you know, enjoy the celebrations that are left for Jamaica 50, you know. We ain't gonna do you nothing, man. Yeah, we ain't gonna do you nothing. Might chop some jerk pork, might chop some sugar cane, you know. I promise you, we ain't gonna do you nothing. We ain't gonna do you shit. We love Carl Lewises around here. Ain't that right, folks?
Fuck Carl Lewis.
Fuck Carl Lewis. Carl Lewis, stop hit on the man because him achieve greatness. Him do something where you never do. Stop it. Cut the shit. You know better than that. Carl Lewis a bad mind you have. Yeah, you have bad mind. That's the only reason you're talking shit. Who the fuck is Carl Lewis, man? Carl Lewis, shut your bumbo.
Who the fuck is Carl Lewis, man?
Subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Oh, Lydia. Yes, man.